In this video, we will discuss 6 of the best revolver for self-defense on the market. Revolvers may not be equals to semi-automatics in terms of reliability, but they have a couple of pros that make them a good destination. So this video is for shooters with a natural taste for revolvers. The mechanical design of a revolver constitutes a rotating cylinder which holds the handgun's rounds. These rounds could range from 5 to 7, which is typically lower than what a semi-auto offers, a major disadvantage. Furthermore, revolvers are carved from steel or aluminum, and this explains why most of them are heavier as compared to other handguns. Learning how to shoot a revolver is pretty straightforward. Even better, it's much easier to operate it than other types of handguns. Once the rounds are in the cylinder, you simply pull the trigger and alas, it fires. Of course, this is the real deal, especially in high-stress situations where every nanosecond matters. With a revolver, you can use a variety of ammunition, including the beastly 3.57 Magnum. As always, all the links to the recommended 9mm pistols have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Smith & Wesson Model 66 Compact Magnum. How about trying a special revolver in Smith & Wesson Model 66 Compact Magnum? Coming with a classic line and immense performance under its belt, the Smith & Wesson Model 66 is a choice for many. Model 66 is chambered in the powerful .357 Magnum, but you also enjoy 2 more calibers including .22 LR and .38 S&W Special. The revolver boasts a single and double action mechanism which makes it even more deadly on the spin. It comes issued with a cylinder capacity of 6 rounds. On the other hand, the barrel measures 2.75 inches and it is a 2-piece barrel. The Model 66 Compact Magnum is designed for durability. That's why you see its cylinder, barrel and the classic K-frame carved out of the stainless steel that makes it very resistant to corrosion elements. Moreover, there are both fixed red drum front sight and the adjustable black blade rear sight that provide you reliable sighting of the target. At 33.5 ounces, this revolver is quite a bit heavy for comfortable carry. However, you will definitely appreciate this weight when it comes to neutralizing any felt recoil issues. Its pros include: it's available in 3 chambers including the full power 3.57 Magnum cartridge, it has durable parts, and it has a versatile functionality. Its cons are: it is lightly heavy for carry. Overall, it's a perfectly weighted revolver that offers value for money. Number 2. Ruger SP101. For a rugged and dependable revolver with the nous to take your target shooting to the next level, Ruger SP101 with a .357 Magnum cartridge cuts it all. Even though it takes a low-profile design, the handgun is quite the real deal. It is offered with a patented triple-locking cylinder mechanism for secure placement. With this system, you are sure your cylinder keeps in its place without worries of falling off. Moreover, the cylinder holds a capacity of 5 rounds. This is on the lower side of things, but if you are expertly trained to handle handguns, these rounds could be enough to down your target. The whole gun is built on a stainless steel frame that is strong and durable. Better yet, as one of the best revolvers for self-defense, the Ruger SP101 fires on a double action mechanism and actually effectively handles the heavy .357 Magnum loads. The grip is modeled from a polymeric furniture to facilitate comfortable shooting experience whether you are plinking or target shooting. The barrel is crafted from stainless steel and measures just 2.25 inches long. Its pros include: it's a bit lightweight, it carries a 3.57 magazine load, and it has a low-profile design. Its cons are: it has just 5 rounds in the cylinder, and it doesn't shoot far. Overall, it's a really great concealable gun, which is the key consideration for carry handguns for self-defense. Number 3. Chiappa Rhino 40DS. Talk of innovativeness, and its tenets could never be misplaced by the builders of the Chiappa Rhino 40DS. Chiappa Rhino 40DS comes with a 3.57 Magnum cartridge, although it also carries the .38 Special. As it's the norm for any deadly handguns, Chiappa Rhino is designed as a double-action gun with an 8-round cylinder. The barrel boasts a blued metal finish, and coming at 4 inches long, you'd argue that it's a real deal when it comes to long-range shooting. The handgun is touted as a high-performance machine. By operation, it fires from the bottom of the cylinder as opposed to the traditional mechanism where rounds are released from the top of the cylinder. This unique functional design helps to reduce felt recoil and muzzle climb. The frame of the handgun is cut from aluminum alloy for better concealability. Its pros include innovative design, 8-round cylinder capacity, and it is easy to handle. Its cons are heavy for comfortable carry and the grip not standard for different hand sizes. Overall, it's a cool little revolver. It is very reliable, accurate, and offers great controls. Number 4. Ruger LCR. Here is another best revolver for self-defense in the name of Ruger LCR, which comes in 3.57 Remington Magnum. The double-action revolver is presented as a lightweight, fast-handling handgun with an aluminum frame, fluted stainless steel cylinder, and a 1.87-inch stainless steel barrel. It comes with weight as little as 17.1 ounces, making it extremely lightweight and suitable for any carry situation. It features a polymer grip which you will handle comfortably, but also this grip houses fire control components in one place. You can enjoy a crisp, clean, and quick trigger ball, firing the gun right from the inside of a pocket. Moreover, its hammer is hidden to prevent snagging problems. The gun is absolutely easy to operate from the word go. It doesn't matter whether you are an experienced shooter or not, you will effortlessly shoot it. The cylinder is designed to hold up to 5 rounds of ammunition. The gun also boasts a black matte finish and a monogrip stock. Many users of the pistol are pleased with its performance generally. It's a powerful little gun with great firepower. Its pros include, it is extremely lightweight, it's accurate for short range, it's an easy pocket carry. Its cons are, it cannot shoot long range, and it has a small cylinder capacity. Overall, the revolver is a perfect choice for a lightweight pocket carry with great performance under the belt. Number 5. Smith & Wesson Model 686. The Smith & Wesson 686 is offered on an L-frame which is strong and durable for sustained long-term heavy usage. Model 686 is chambered in both 357 Magnum and the 38 S&W Special Plus P. Additionally, it comes with a 7-round cylinder capacity which gives great firepower from the dependable double-action mechanism. You have a stainless steel barrel with incredible length of 4 inches. Only remember that the longer the barrel, the more a gun's concealability is compromised. However, this doesn't matter as far as life protection goes. The red ramp at the front and the adjustable white outline at the rear keep the gun's sighting in perfect shape. Furthermore, the frame is built from stainless steel, and so is the cylinder and the barrel. The grip is crafted from synthetic polymer material for comfortable handling. Its pros include 7-round capacity, accurate and long range, solid stainless steel construction. Its cons are, there are ejector rod issues, and the revolver cannot be customized. Overall, the Smith & Wesson is a truly professional handgun with great ergonomics, reliability, and it's a good self-protection tool. Number 6. Kimber K6s. You're not going to overlook what the Kimber K6s can achieve. Actually, it's one beautiful piece of the best revolvers for self-defense. From cartridge dimensions to superior ergonomics and to the sudden finish, this revolver was made to take care of all your needs in one package. This one here is a .357 Magnum revolver weighing in at just 23 ounces, which is within the manageable carry range. The gun boasts a slim, lightweight design, which as we all know is great for carry. The cylinder featured on the Kimber K6s measures just 1.39 inches diameter to record one of the lightest and most compact 6-round cylinders. A 2-inch barrel is outfitted onto this handgun, but in some way, it limits the gun's accuracy and long-range shooting capabilities. Moreover, Kimber K6s comes built on a stainless steel frame with a brushed finish. There are black serrated sides, non-stacking trigger, and black rubber grip. Its pros include, it is sleek and beautiful, it is lightweight, and it has a great cylinder capacity. Its cons are, flimsy grip and accessories like moon clip are not easily available on the market. Overall, the revolver is perfectly balanced thanks to its measured weight and included features. I know you loved this video about the best revolvers for self-defense, didn't you? Here are other great videos to enjoy. See you in the next one.